Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the GMM 120 watt USB-C charger. It's an GMM 4-port USB-C multi-port charger with GaN PD and PPS 100 watt USB-C fast charger function. It comes with a foldable design. That means it is really compact for so much power. And this is an USB-C charging station for our MacBook, for our Pro Air, for iPhone 14, 13, 12, iPad Pro, for the so many different laptops, notebooks as well, Dell, XPS, Galaxy S22, S21, and the Pixel, and so many more on the market. You can choose between colored black and white. You can choose between the wattage of 65 and 120. Of course, the 120 is the best one to make more power with that. That means here it comes to a 120 watt USB-C multiple charger with 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port in ones. That means we can reload our Mac, iPad, iPhone, and Airpod simultaneously. With this meets our different charging demands. Only the USB-C 2 port supports PPS. If we want to charge our Samsung phone series, for example, connected to the USB-C 2 dock, of course. With GaN, PD, and PPS tech, the chargers supply high-speed output at up to 100 watt single port, and it still brings 25 watt and 45 watt super fast charging experience to our Samsung phone. This charging our iPhone 14 and 13 to 50% in only 30 minutes, or fully charge our MacBook Pro 16 inches 2021 in 1.8 hours. That means 3 times faster than the original charger. And it only works with the 5 ampere USB-C cord to get 100 watt, of course. And it is an USB-C travel charger for so much multiple devices such as laptops, smartphones, pads, and nearly every device which need a connection with the USB to recharge you can use. It's a power bank, for example, your GoPro, or AC adapter, and so on and so on. The GaN charger with a foldable plug is travel friendly. We have a 4-in-1 compact design. It will save more space of our luggage. Easy to carry, travel anywhere conveniently. And of course you can use it as a power hub in your office too. The GGM 120 USB fast charger is equipped with GaN3, high temperature resistance, short circuit protection, high strength and hardness capacity protection to ensure the charging safety for our or to our devices. That's really cool for MacBook, for iPad, for iPhone, for AirPods, for everything. GMM 4 ports, 3 USB charger. If we want to charge our MacBook Pro with a high speed, we connect it to USB-C 1 or USB-C 2, okay? Because every slot has a little other options. If we need output 100 watt, USB 5 ampere USB-C to C cord we should use. Other cords can get such a high speed watt not delivered. Only USB-C 2 ports supports the PPS. If we want to charge our Samsung phone, we connect it to the USB-C 2 port. 100 watt high speed output. That means we can charge it with the GaN PD 3.0 USB-C charger block supplies high speed up to 100 watt single port, which can fully charge our Mac Pro easily within a glance. And PPS fast charging means the USB-C wallet charger supports the super fast charging option. That means our Samsung phones can be charged with 25 watt, 45, and 3 times faster than the original. 3 times faster charging is possible here. That means we have output for 1 port if we use one port, 100 watt, 100 watt in 1 and 2 port. And a number 3 port comes with 20 watt, and the 4th port is USB-A, is 22.5 watt. If we're going to use 2 ports, we can choose port 1 and port 2, 60 watt, 60 watt, or we choose port 1 and port 3. On 1, 100 watt, on 3 is 20 watt. Or we choose the port 2 and 3, that means 100 watt and 20 watt. Or USB port 1 and the 4 port, that means 100 watt and 18 watt. Or the second and the fourth is 118 watt, the same. Or we choose the third and the fourth, that means 10 watt, 10 watt. And if we output on 4 ports, the first port will deliver 65 watt, the second 30 watt, the third 10 watt, and the last 10 watt too. So you can see, you can choose it and you can combine it as you like. We save space, no more cable salads. No, it goes easy with that GMM recharger here. The input is AC 100 volts until 240. That means you can use it the entire world. Output is 5 volt at all of them, of course, because it's USB standard. The netto weight is in the United States 248 gram, UK is 272 gram, and European version is 264 gram. This year, what's shown in that video is the European version, but it's also in UK and United States available with the right socket. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.